Nafada binti Muhammad Morni from AGR142. Today I'm going to present about pest and diseases management. So what is pest? Pest is any organism harmful such as mammals, bird, insect, mite that is damaging to plants. Pests can be divided as mammalian pests, bird pests, mollusk pests, insect pests, and mite pests. A disease is an unhealthy condition in a plant caused by a fungus, bacterium, nematode, or virus. Pests and diseases management. First one, pests and diseases contribute a large percentage of loss if not controlled properly. The second one is insect. The third one is pests and diseases attack on the roots, the stem, the leaf, and shoots. The fourth one, if not controlled immediately, the plants may eventually die, resulting in the loss of yield. The last one is, there are several telltale signs of pest attack on plant parts above the ground. Pest and disease incidents can be reduced and controlled by practicing the following practice. The first one is crop rotation. The second one is fallow period. Next, use pesticide, insecticide, and fungicide as a last resort. Next, regularly till or loosen the soil on the bed. Next, remove and destroy disease-infected plant that cannot be saved. Next, apply fertilizer according to recommended rates and schedule. And the last one is plant pest and disease-resistant vegetable varieties. There are 6 components of integrated pest and disease management. The first one is prevention strategy. First step is to construct an IPM plan and then to think prevention and management consideration that are most appropriate for you before planting. This includes a disease management program which requires thought in the crop production system in order to prevent and control disease development. The second one is pest and disease identification. Many pests look similar to each other and similar to beneficial or harmless organisms. When an insect, pathogen, or other pest is misidentified, the resulting control action may be ineffective. Some factors such as irrigation management, toxins in the soil, poor fertility of water, air pollution, cold, heat, hail, wind, or generic disorder may also cause symptoms which appear similar to pest damage. A disease is described as an organism that changes the normal state of the plant by disturbing the function of the plant. This is often caused by disease-causing agent, pathogen, environmental factors, inherent defect of the plant, or a combination of these factors. Next is monitoring pests. Farmers need to measure pest infestation and decrease crop quality or quantity in order to know how the pests and diseases will influence yield, when to apply controls, and what type of control methods are appropriate. This is a difficult task since yield loss can be influenced by not only pest and disease severity, but by other factors like fertility and weather. So, in order to best know how pests and diseases will potentially influence yields, the farmer will need to measure pest and disease infections. Next, determine tolerance levels and economic thresholds. The economic thresholds level for specific crop help farmers to determine at what level of infection a pest or diseases are considered an economic problem. Disease and pest infestation values for economic threshold levels are determined through monitoring of different for specific crops and specific pests and diseases. Farmers will also determine when suppression measures should be implemented in order to prevent the disease and pest population from reaching the economic injury level. The amount of pest and disease infestation on a specific crop. The next one is control method. When possible, farmers should use cultural, biological, mechanical, or natural chemical control with the least environmental impact to manage disease and pests. The last one is evaluate pest and disease management program. This will require farmers to keeping records and review them on a regular basis. This record will allow the farmer to establish measurable goals, establish measurable progress toward crop quality and marketability, indicate whether prevention and control strategy have succeeded, if a new approach are needed to improve the product.